discuss about the UGC Net Paper 1 today. So this is the syllabus for UGC Net Paper 1, and here we have the Unit 1. Unit 1 is for the teaching aptitude. So in this topic you will get teaching, concept, objectives, levels of teaching, that are memory, understanding and reflective level of teachings, characteristics and basic requirements. So this is the unit is basically dedicated to the whole teaching and learning process. So it's a very easy unit, and you can score high at this unit in the exam. The second unit is about research aptitude. So here you will get some new terms and some new theories of related to the research area. And so there are like different methods of research. He will get here the steps of research, how to write a thesis, how to write an article. So this unit is also very high scoring if you prepare well. The next unit is the I think one of the most important units of all in the paper 1, that is the comprehension unit. If you can read well anything like a passage or stories, if you are good at English, I don't think you need to prepare very specifically for this unit. But if you think that you are weak in English, then you have to prepare for this unit very well. For this you can read any newspapers or like any magazines, any stories, any articles. So this will improve your vocabulary, and this will increase your reading speed. Then comes the unit number 4, that is the communication unit. And this unit is also very good for scoring marks, because these are the normal day-to-day things that you know, like you do not have to prepare very thoroughly for this unit. But this is a very small unit. If you can score high at this unit, then it's very beneficial for paper 1. Then comes the like the most of the people who are from social science or like humanities background, they find it tough to score in this unit. But if you practice well for this unit, the reasoning part and the maths part, then I think if there are like 5 questions in the exam, then you can score like 3 out of 5 or 4 out of 5 maybe, if you practice well. But this unit specifically needs a lot of practice. Then comes the logical reasoning part, that is the unit 6. I think this unit 6 is the like the largest unit of all, because it has the Indian logic part also, then the logic from the western part, and you have to memorize all the pramanas, anumanas, upamanas, sabdas, the all the theories, like they are like theories also. Then you have to apply these theories to the questions. If they are like assertion reasoning questions, then you have to apply these theories to those questions also. Then comes the part like that is the most tricky. It's not hard, it is data interpretation. Data interpretation part is not hard, but here you have to practice a lot of data sets like bar charts, pie charts, table charts. Then you have to apply all those maths, like it is like the normal maths, but you have to be very fast while attempting this part, because this is the unit where you can score 5 out of 5 if you practice well, the data interpretation part. If you do not have this speed, it's then you can lose marks here. It's not like that in like the mathematical reasoning part, where you have to you have to practice a lot of questions in maths, where even if you practice, sometimes they give some of the problems that are like very difficult to solve. But here in data interpretation, you if you practice well, if you know the simple mathematics part, then I think it is very much possible to score if there are like 5 questions, then you will score 5 out of 5. Then comes the unit of ICT. It's a very easy unit. Then at the unit 9 is for the environment part. So here you have the MDG goals, like sustainable development goals, all the theories related to pollution, water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, then about human health, then about energy, solar, wind, hydro. Like you have to see the production capacities of different countries, different areas, how much does India produce in solar energy. Then comes all the different acts of Environmental Protection Act, National Action Plan on Climate Change, like different protocols internationally and nationally. this unit is also very large, but you can manage this unit. And the last unit is the higher education system. So how the system of education in India has changed over time, you have to study all those parts, and what is the current scene now. So from the higher education part, you have to be very you have to be reading all those newspapers also. You do not know when they give something from the current affairs part. So it is very essential on your part that you keep up to date all the informations about whatever is happening in our education system. So that was the whole syllabus of paper 1. So in the next video I'll try to put some more information about all these topics, but this video will give you the general idea of the syllabus whatever is there.